So Cody did a thing, and that's what we're going to cover in today's video. Cody got nitrous.
Bottom heater, nitrous purge.
So we're going to do an install video on the nitrous.
This one's blue, it's not red.
A lot of wiring. Justin already helped him and got half of it done. So solenoids are all set up.
They did the easy part.
Yeah.
It wasn't that
and left
easy.
us with the wiring.
Because some of these fittings weren't going in correctly.
That's not good.
The jet's already in for E85. So
I think I'm gonna go E85.
What size jet are you gonna do? It's a secret. I just want to know how this tire is holding air.
it looks like someone.
It looked like a hole, but yeah, wow. I better not touch it.
Oh, they're right there on terrible.
Just going to a new owner. Are you gonna have it sit in your driveway too, or?
That's gonna go right up on my list.
Oh, perfect. Look at that.
Yeah, I got my actual race car.
Bye-bye Red Conquest. It sat for a couple months and did nothing.
Literally, we just looked at it in there.
Only 3 months in the beginning.
That's off to a good home. That guy's got a lot of cars and stuff.
Everything has a price.
And now this thing's having problems.
It won't turn on.
It won't. The pump won't turn on.
You're falling apart here, man.
Dude, I am.
Oh boy.
I really don't know. Oh my god. Why did I offer to help?
What do we have here, Cody? What is this?
What do you have done so far?
I have all the fuel lines, all that stuff, the purge.
I need to understand what you did, the way I can...
Everything is done, like the fuel and the nitrous side, the bottle, well, the lines going into the car for the bottle. Bottle just needs to be mounted. And everything else is just wiring. That I don't know how to do.
Me neither, but we can figure it out.
Wiring. The bane of everybody's existence.
Yeah, it's the worst.
Wiring. Alright. No, you just build pressure. Check it out, boys.
Alright, Paul Walker.
Yeah. You're gonna blow the welds off your intake.
We got Brian O'Connor over here. Alright, where are the mounts?
I need 2 of them by tonight. The big ones.
Dude,
This guy even got the bottle heater. He went all out. I'm proud of you, Cody.
I would have put like some hot...
Yeah, the torch in the car, burn your felt.
Yep. Boil some water in a freaking plastic bottle, put it next to it. How are we looking?
It's in here.
Still gonna have to turn the bottle heater around. But
yeah, I'll probably have to make it go to the right a little bit.
yeah.
There we go. I'll wait till I do that.
Yeah.
Just trying to get this perfect.
It's nice and centered.
Yeah.
As perfect as it's ever gonna get.
Who's this? This lady just turned around in my driveway. How's that pizza?
It's delicious. Well, we got the bottle in with the heater. Just doing a little bit of wiring right now. Man, it's dark back here.
Yes, it is. That's racist.
Oh my god. Here we go. Jeez.
I'm stuck.
Me? I'm just eating pizza.
That's done.
Alright, quick update. Got the relay installed. Wires to the solenoids. The purge solenoid. To the battery terminal. running it all the way through over there. He's just zip tying stuff right now. I'll be coming through underneath up there. It's a little dark, but it'll be going through the trans tunnel on to the passenger side so it can get connected to the window switch up there. And then it'll go to the buttons and we'll let you know. Alright, we got all the wiring done basically. We just gotta get a few added fuses. Then we need to get some stuff for the switches here. And then we need to get the added fuse for the fuses down there. But it looks like we got most of the wiring done for the most part. So tomorrow's another day for more wiring.
Day 3 of the NITROUS install. We could have done it in one day, but we kind of got fed up with the wiring and ran out of supplies and whatnot. But it is beautiful and hot out. So we pulled it in the garage next to the Conquest. Poor thing. She's been down for a while. Bent both rear coilovers from too much squat, I guess, and been doing little things here and there. But we just have to wire the switches, find a 12-volt source, ignition source, and run the TPS and the, what's the other one? I forget. TPS
The coil.
and the coil. And then we can test the purge and make sure everything turns on. And then he can go make 1,000 horse. JK.
Yeah. Fucking wish.
Alright, so everything is done except for the TPS and the coil.
The coil, yeah.
Right? Yes. Alright, so we're just testing right now. We just have to run the 12-volt switch. We're just mocking it up right now to make sure everything's good, nothing's smoking. Alright, turn the key on.
That turns
This
on.
turns everything on. Boom. Bottle heater. It literally takes 2 seconds and it gets real hot already.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Oh wow, that's crazy. And then obviously there's no nitrous, but you can probably hear the relay. So
that's so exciting.
now we just have to run that behind the center console and wire the TPS and the coil, and it's game over. But it's pretty clean.
That means I gotta go get nitrous then.
Now you gotta get nitrous and we gotta test it.
Yeah.
Alright, it's done. Can't really tell.
Cause it's stopped.
I know. That's a 10 mil. But she's all hooked up. Nice and clean. So now he just needs to put injectors, spark plugs, and get tuned. See what kind of power it makes.
Who knows?